Today I will give you a 50% off Pictory AI coupon code which you can use on yearly plans. To activate the coupon, simply visit the Pictory website using the first link down below in the video description. Next, you need to either sign up for a free trial, or simply log into your account. I will log into my account, and then click on Pricing Plans option. Here I will choose any yearly plan as the coupon code is only valid for yearly plan. The Pro plan is the most popular plan, so I will directly choose this one. This will take us to the checkout. You can see the current pricing, which is $468 for 1 year. To get the 50% discount, I will use this coupon code here. The coupon code is BFCMMK50. And once I clicked on the Apply button, you can see that the coupon code has provided me a 50% discount on my order. And now I only need to pay $234 for 1 year. I've also left this coupon code in the video description, so you can simply copy it and paste it directly here. Now you can make the payment and enjoy your discount. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more videos like these.